Hello students. Uh, Today we are going to discuss about the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. So the formula of finding the determinant is first element. If we are solving this determinant by the first row, then the formula will be the first element and cofactor of the first element, which is a11, and then second element of the first row a12 and cofactor of this element, and plus the third element of the first row and the corresponding cofactor. Now we have first element which is 1, and the cofactor of the first element, as you know, it is minus 1 power 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is basically the position of the first element, right? And then the cofactor is minus 1 4 1 2. So what we have done here, we just have remove the corresponding row and column of the element of which we are going to find the cofactor of. Okay, for we have second element 2, and the cofactor of the second element is, again, we have to write the position of the second element in the power, which is 1 2. So we will write 1 plus 2 in the power of minus 1, and cofactor of this element is we have to remove the column and row of the element of which we are going to find the cofactor, right? So it's 3 0 and 4 2. For third element the third element of the first row is 0. So no matter what we will get as a cofactor, after multiplication it will be 0. So we will write this anyway. So it's 1 plus 3, and the cofactor of the third element is 3 minus 1 0 1. As I told, we will just remove the corresponding row and column of the element, right? So minus 1 power 1 plus 1, which is 2, right? So the minus, if the power of negative is even, so the result will be positive. Okay, so over here we have to find the determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix. We will just as usual multiply these two elements. So it's minus 1 multiplied 2, and then negative, and these two element we will just multiply 1 multiply 4. Okay, so plus and plus 2, and minus power 3 is minus 1, right? And again 3 multiplied 2 minus 2 0 multiply 4, which is 0, and this whole element will be 0 because of that 0, right? Because 0 will be multiplied with the rest of the element, so it will become 0. So minus 1 power 2 is 1, and in the bracket we will have minus 2 minus 4, and minus 1 power 3 is minus, so it will become minus 2, and inside the bracket we will have 3 2s are 6 minus 0, right? So minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6, multiplied by 1 is again equal to minus 6, and over here it's minus 2 times 6 is 12. So the determinant is equal to minus 18. If the determinant of a matrix is non-zero, so that matrix is called non-singular. Determinant is non-zero, so A is, the determinant itself is non-singular. So non-singular means that we can find the inverse of this matrix, that A inverse of this matrix is possible to find, right? If it would have been 0, that would become a singular matrix. So in case of singular matrix, the inverse is not possible. Okay, so that's all for today, students. If you have any queries, you can just ask me question in the comment, or if you want me to like to make any video on a specific topic or question, just let me know in the comments. Thank you.